Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to showcase video content directly on your site without requiring visitors to leave your page, making your website more engaging and professional. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, click on Website to proceed to the next stage. Now you'll be able to see all the websites you've created and managed through your Wix account. Take a moment to browse through them and locate the specific website where you want to embed or add your YouTube video. This is the site you'll be working on for the rest of this tutorial. Once you've found the right website, look for the Edit Site button. You'll typically see this button beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the Wix Harmony Site Editor page. This is where all the magic happens, giving you full control to customize your website's design and content. From the Site Editor page, locate the plus Add button positioned at the top left part of your screen. Click on it and the Add Element menu will appear. This menu contains all the different elements and features you can add to your site, from text boxes to images and videos. In the Add Element menu, look for the section labeled Video and click on it. This will expand the video options available to you, showing various ways you can integrate video content into your site. Under the Social Players section, locate the option for YouTube and drag it onto your site editor. You can place it wherever you'd like on your page, whether that's in the main content area, a sidebar, or within a specific section. The flexibility here allows you to design your site exactly how you envision it. Once the YouTube element is added to your site, double-click on it. This action will bring up the Replace Video menu. From here, simply paste the YouTube URL of the video you wish to use for this element. As soon as you paste the link, you'll notice that the thumbnail adjusts automatically to display a preview of your chosen video. This visual confirmation ensures you've selected the correct video. Finally, to test this newly added video and make sure everything is working perfectly, click on Preview. This will show you how your site will appear to visitors. Go ahead and play the YouTube video you've added to ensure it loads properly and functions as expected. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video on your Wix website, enhancing your site's interactivity and visual appeal. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.